license. This plant has no idea what's about to happen. Today we are separating this Alocasia Frydek. Look at this beautiful root system all tangled up like my life. Aggressively make my way through the dirt. How gentle can I be? I'll try my best. Killing this plant will be devastating. It's not even mine to keep. Was that a snap? Why are these roots holding on like it signed a lease? Snap. Nope. That was the sound of confidence leaving my body. Gently. Wow, I'm not very gentle. The trick here is to just keep digging with your fingertips. Toggle twist. Tug twist. Congratulations, baby. Frydek, you're a twin. 100% labor, 80% trauma. Welcome to the orphanage, little guy. I'ma take good care of you. It's giving split personality disorder. The soil is everywhere. My floor is a rainforest. Tiny pot, big dreams. Don't worry, little one. Totally not a downgrade. That's it, one mighty Frydek turned into a dysfunctional little family. Each child traumatized with a chance of thriving. If that isn't the essence of chaotic gardening, then I truly don't know what is.